Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. On this video we are gonna look how we can log out from Tool4seller app. For that, just open the Tool4seller app. So when you open the app, here we can see we are in the research section. So we need to go to the me section or our profile section on the bottom right corner. So just tap on the bottom right corner. So when we reach here on this page, we can see our Gmail on the top left corner. We can see our Gmail right there. So also in the we can see the account. Just tap on our Gmail on the top left corner. So when we tap on it, here we can see the logout option. Just tap on it. So by tapping on that, we can just log out from Tool4seller app. So this is how we're gonna log out from Tool4seller app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.